So I'm going to do a couple quick little fixes on some stuff I have. These are key rings from my dog's tags. They're dog licenses, and I'm going to take one of them. They have jump rings from last year, so I can take this without it being any kind of a deal. Have these laundry bags, and I have some delicates piling up, and they have a ring on the end that you hook into this so it doesn't come out, and you can wash your delicates and your regular laundry, which is handy. This one, though, the ring broke off. So what I'm going to do is take that little jump ring from my dog's tag, and I'm going to see if I can slide it in there. Well, maybe not. Alright. I would have kept the original, but it got lost somewhere. I don't know. So I just bent that open. And hopefully I can close it just as easily. There. So now I can close my laundry bag like the other one without the actual ring. I gotta try and be a little bit quiet because my husband went to bed, but these are his work pants, and he, oh, I have a scratch on my thumb. Anyway, these are his work pants, and one of his belt loops popped loose, and he can order new pants, which he has, but it takes forever for them to come. So I am going to sew his belt loop back because he needs it, because he puts his belt on, and he's a UPS driver, and he puts the dyad pouch on his belt, so he needs his belt to function. So I am going to, this is really thick, and I'm going to try and hand sew this. So I have this really ancient thimble, but it works. So it says new made, I think. Anyway, so I'm going to try and fix this. And what I generally do is there's a spot where it was sewn. So if I can find that on the back side, I will put it through there and then through here. Oops. Let me turn this. If you don't have a thimble, you can use like a metal, like a Snapple lid or a jar lid or something to push. Okay, and it's not perfect by any means, but it's on there, and you should be able to use it. I've had to fix little holes like this before, and what I generally do is I fold it over and then I line up the two sides of the hole, and then I just whip stitch it closed. I try to be as precise as possible, but like I said, I am terrible at hand sewing. It's not perfect. A couple of my stitches were a little too big, but it's pretty good. So I'll just tie a knot and be done with that one. Lots of fuzz. There is styrofoam everywhere from where I made my dog's helmet, which, by the way, I am in the process of remaking because it was too small. There's styrofoam everywhere, and it's getting on everything, and it's driving me crazy. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. This one wasn't that long or interesting, but it was stuff I needed to have done, so I did it. Thanks for watching.